to see what your pets are doing? Or missing to see your kids playing at home? Don't worry. With D3D Wide Range Security Camera, you can easily protect your home and business. It's easy to install. All you have to do is fix the camera using the screws provided, install the mobile app, and the camera is ready to use. It takes less than 5 minutes to set up your D3D camera. Now, watch the live video on your tablet, mobile phone, or PC. Now wherever you go, your home is always in front of your eyes. With a touchscreen zoom into any area to see the smallest details. With 360-degree pan and tilt function, you can rotate the camera from mobile phone to monitor in any direction. With inbuilt mic and speaker of D3D security camera, you can talk with your kids no matter wherever you are. Unlike CCTV, there is no need to attach DVR or do messy wiring. Just insert an SD card, camera will save all the recordings to the SD card. Previous recordings can be seen from the mobile phone. Expecting a delivery? You don't need to wait at home all day. D3D Smart Motion notification will alert whenever someone arrives at your door. Talk to the delivery man and ask him to leave the parcel at the door or with your neighbors. What more can anyone ask for? With one of the most advanced security cameras, you can always be relaxed while keeping an eye on things that matter most. With its user-friendly mobile app, control all camera functions directly from your mobile phone. Your home safety is in your pocket. So let's build a safer home with D3D security camera and enjoy the feeling of safety.